Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome back to Clouded Reactions. I'm Jay Clouded. Thank you for joining me today and, well, tonight. And this time we got a video called The Jigsaw. It won some awards back in 2017. And I think the original uploader is Sensa Productions. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find the video. And let's get into it. It's only 8 minutes and 27 seconds long, so can't be that scary, but then again, I've been wrong before, so what do I know? Man. The Jigsaw. At first I wasn't sure if they were speaking English or not. They are. Well, this got better productions. This isn't like a 3-person cast. Is that a box or a book?
Excuse me, sir. What's in this box?
Oh, forget that one. It's not worth the price it costs.
What's the cost?
$5. Ooh, okay. All dramatic, just.
Now listen. I've sold this puzzle to many a customer, but it always finds its way home to this shop. It was my mistake for putting it out. Now choose another before it becomes yours.
He's busting out that wallet real quick. He's like, challenge accepted. He didn't even say how much though. Oh, what's so funny?
We'll meet again.
It's a little weird. He didn't want to let go of it. Got turned off my other TV.
Rain is going to start to work its way north and east. We're looking at perhaps 2 inches of rainfall. So there's our wet weather, and that in itself can cause some very unpleasant conditions on the road, certainly.
Man, where does he live? It's like in the middle of nowhere, or like... Is that snow? Oh no, it's rain. It's rain. I want to know what rain is, man. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. It don't rain out here, so. You won't get sick, man. Get inside. There he goes. This isn't so scary so far. Oh yeah, it's a horror short film, so I don't know if I let you guys know, but
We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day.
was that refreshing, good sir?
Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. Please say hello to the folks that I know. Tell them
Got the fireplace
I won't
going.
be long. They'll be happy to know that you saw me go. I was
Just zoomed in on him. Was that him at his desk or something? Is that the shopkeeper? What the heck was that? Huh. I mean, I wouldn't call that a horror. That was more of a... It should have been a little longer to elaborate more, but... I mean, that is pretty crazy. It's more on the supernatural, because... I don't even know. But it wasn't... It didn't get me. Did it get you guys? It didn't get me. I wasn't scared. I mean... This won some awards, too. Maybe just the concept of it. It's a good concept. Took the puzzle home. Had a picture of the guy. It's crazy because it's the exact house and everything too. I liked how they did that. Oh, it was 2014. I said 2017. That's what it says in the title. But that was it, you guys. That was The Jigsaw, considered to be one of the best horror short films from 2017, which is weird because it was made in 2014, so I don't know. But I'll leave a link to the video in the description below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, it was okay, I guess. I don't know, I might take a little break from horror short films. They're not really that bad. I don't know. I heard that YouTube short horror films are a lot scarier than this, but it's not so bad, you guys. Anyways, if you guys have like a video or something that you guys want me to react to, go and just drop a link in the comments below. Just let me know. Or not even a link, just let me know what it is and I'll type it up. I'm trying to stay away from songs and like movies and stuff for now because I don't know about the whole copyright thing. I don't know how much seconds you're supposed to pause in between videos. So I'm still a beginner when it comes to that, like the rules and everything. So give me some time, I'll look into it. But just regular videos on YouTube. If you have a video that you want me to react to, go and just write it down, right? Peace.